Hello A plus traders. Alright, so right now we are going to learn about the 3 simple steps to use ATR tool to determine take profit zone. So ATR, the full meaning of ATR is average true range. Is an indicator. You can get it on any trading platform. So right now I'm using the TradingView platform. So if you want to get it from TradingView platform, all you need to do, come to where you have this F and X sign there. You come to that place, click it, you click it, and you type average true range. Average. Oh, don't tell me I don't know how to type average. Alright, so that is it there. Average true range. When you see it, then you do what? You click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to appear on your chart. So it's going to look something like this. Yeah, that is the average true range there. That is the average true range below here. I'm going to show you the settings of the setting you need to use. Alright, so you go to settings. So when you bring it up, just come to settings, then make sure this is the input you are using. The resolution, you say same as symbol. The length is 14. Smoothing, you use RMA. So that is the setting. So once you pull it up on your chart, make sure these settings are the same. So maybe when you are installing it, you can pause this video to make sure the tools your settings also tallies with this. Then you can choose whatever color you want to use from here. So that is the settings for the ATR tool. So to use this ATR tool is actually simple. First of all, you need to plot the indicator on your chart using the higher time frame, because you want to use this just to identify your take profit zone. So you can only use it to identify your take profit zones on the higher time frame. So let's say your entry time frame is the 1 hour and your higher time frame is the 8 hours. So when you find your entry on the 1 hour and you pull the trigger, your exit, you now turn the chart to the 8 hour time frame to use it to put your take profit. So when you plot it out, find the ATR value. I'm going to show you within some minutes how to do that. Then also you use the ATR value to set your profit. So let's just do that right away using this USD JPY chart. Let's just do that right away. So we reset this. Alright, so this is the monthly. Now let's use the daily as our lower time frame and use the weekly as our higher time frame. So right now we can see prices at a strong support zone. Let me plot this out for you to see where's the horizontal line. Hey, come up. So we plot this. This was a key support zone. You see price bouncing off here, here, and here. So what we have here was a false break, because you see during the US elections, price pull all the way back up into that support, so that was a manipulation there. Fundamentals, you can say fundamentals actually give that strength. So price closed all the way above, and right now it's consolidating around there. So if let's just assume you want to buy at current market price, so where will your TP be? Right, so using this ATR tool, we are going to find a TP. So we go to the higher time frame, which is our weekly time frame, which is our higher time frame. So we are buying at current market price. This is the ATR tool down here. So we want to place our TP up here. So I'll just bring this lovely tool here and pick this point and place your TP here. So the price there is 2.464. So if I'm to buy at this current price, so 464 pips, if I should use the date and price range to 464, right? Yeah, so 464 pips will be around there. So you see price is going to move up to that. So that's how you actually use this tool. So we can let's just look at another example. Let's look at another example. Which pair should we use? I'm thinking of a pair to use right now. Alright, let's look at NZDJPY. It's been long I haven't seen that chart, so let's look at NZDJPY. NZDJPY, we clear everything we have here, clear all drawings. Okay, we can use the weekly as our higher time frame, while the daily is our entry time frame. So this is the daily time frame. Let me shrink this. Alright, okay, price is already at the top, so let's just assume we want to sell this right now at current market price. So this is a resistance zone, and we see price is rejecting that resistance zone, the area there. So we want to sell it back down. So we just take a sell, then we go to the weekly time frame, which is our higher time frame. We can reference these lows here. Let me use this tool to make it sharp. Reference these lows here. So I plot it there. So our take profits is going to be 317 pips. See, 1.317. So 317 pips. So if you should take a trade from here now, your take profit should be 317 pips. So that is basically how you use the ATR tool to know your take profit in pips, and it works perfectly fine. I've used it over and over again. It works perfectly fine. There is no way price won't come and fill you in on take profit. So that is that. I hope you have benefited from this video. If you have learned something fresh and something lovely from this video, just like this video, right? Just like it, click on the thumbs up button. All right, so I see you on the next model.